What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Daily Entertainment Gossip Show right here on Odate GHTV. Yeah, so today's gossip, we have Shatta Wale fighting against the appointment of Mark Okraku Mantey as the Deputy Minister of Tourism, Arts and Culture. Yeah, so before we go straight to today's gossip, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime I drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Yeah, so a section of industry players in the Ghanaian entertainment industry are rooting for the appointment of Mark Okraku Mantey as the Deputy Minister of Tourism, Arts and Culture. And guys, Shatta Wale has showed his displeasure about this particular people or even the appointment of Mark Okraku Mantey being or standing for or being appointed as the Deputy Minister of Tourism, Arts and Culture. And Shatta Wale gives a lot of reasons why he thinks that those people rooting for him should stop. And even the president of Ghana should not even dream or think of appointing Mark Okraku Mantey. And guys, Shatta Wale made a lot of huge revelation. According to him, the royalty system in Ghana is not working. And we all know, you and I know, if you don't know, Ghanaian artists, some of them, they are not being paid their actual royalty. And those who are even being paid their royalty, the amount of money they get is not up to. And guys, if you are comparing the royalty system in the world to what is happening in Ghana, it's very, very appalling. Our legendary artists have nothing to boast of. Meanwhile, they have a lot of songs which are being played back to back. And you ask yourself, so these songs, are they played for free? Are these songs being played for free? And their investment, their time, their money, everything they've put into this particular craft as a musician or as an artist has gone down the drain. And Shatta Wale is saying that no, Charlie, this is high time the next generation or his generation, the generation to come, change the narrative, change the status quo by making sure that we appoint people who know the ins and outs of the entertainment industry to hold the helms of affairs. According to him, Mark Okraku Mantey knows nothing about music. He made a lot of revelations saying that Mark Okraku Mantey himself owes him a lot of money, especially his first album that he produced. He has not paid him nothing out of that particular album. And he's saying that someone like this and you want to appoint as a Deputy Minister of Tourism, Arts and Culture, no, never. And according to him, he doesn't understand why some Ghanaian artists will not rally behind him. And when he's talking about this particular issue, people are saying that he talks too much and blah, 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 blah. And he said that no wonder some of the artists or some of the Ghanaian artists are going hungry because they don't see this as a job. They don't see it as a profession. Shatta Wale was very, very, very angry. And guys, this is the issue that is happening. What is your thought about it? But before you even drop your thoughts in the comment section below, guys, watch the video of Shatta Wale talking about this whole particular issue and all that.
As at now, Ghanaians are making Ghanaians feel like we, arts people, musicians, actors, everybody, we just not be anything. Like we not be export for Ghana. We not be like we not do anything. But man, make I tell you, where life catch right now, Where life catch right now. Foreigners where they come Ghana, no they come Ghana because of cocoa. Foreigners plenty they enter Ghana, they enter Ghana because of timber. I swear, if you go there like we the ghetto youth, the people with the bring come this to have fun, happiness, life, live, be smart thing. Because of us, people want enter because Ghana is so nice, Ghana is beautiful, you can come to Ghana, you party, you see those things where they make people they come Ghana. We are parts. So if Ghana has cocoa, Ghana has bauxite, Ghana has manganese, Ghana has whatever. Ghana also has musicians that make people feel like, yes, this is a country. Now, geez. Then people go put me for page inside. Then they talk nonsense. You ever hear say they do cashew nut concert where people travel come before? You ever hear say they do Kube show where people travel, where they enter the country inside before? You ever hear say did they do Charlie, sometimes don't see, make people no make a ball. And this thing at the talk, where people want to take them some way. People want to understand them some way. How much they talk, people they do like they know they listen. The musicians they're constant, they sleep. They feel say maybe I they fight for myself. But you see the thing, the fight, eh? Me are the fight for me, make I get me to my money. If Ghana musicians don't want to fight, if actresses, actors, they don't want to fight for this thing, I don't fucking give a fuck. I don't give a fuck about these things. You understand me? Because you people, they make musicians, they tire too much for this, and the musicians themselves, I don't know. I don't know. Say if they tell them, my parents say it be job they do or it be play they play. I don't even understand. They play try your luck. Try your luck. When they talk, somebody go do somebody and talk, say, Shatta there, and they keep talking these things because those things when people they talk, they funny me. Because most of you don't know me, so the talking there go be plenty like that. The talking go be plenty like that. But me, I won't talk. I swear for this Ghana. I swear for this Ghana. If I hear publication, or if I see publication, I hear for radio, say, they take Mark Okraku Mantey deputy minister for creative arts. I swear everything. I go take political from a for political party. I swear everything. Hey, Mark Okraku Mantey himself, you know. Me, my first album, you know, give me anything. You know, up to now, Mark Okraku Mantey, they owe me. He doesn't have any mechanism, any strategy or structure. Come teach Ghana music industry. And if people know I understand, I say, make the common time for, make the common time. You know, decisions you want to take to make this life better for the next generation. Or make Shatta can leave and Shatta can, then Shatta, they know, another artist know if you do some. Does it make sense to you? People always say they put something for the critics, the people, actors, they put something for the mama and musicians, everybody. So some of the musicians, they don't even think well. Because they don't know what they're about. They don't know themselves. Then somebody come and say they don't pick. Make with day Ghana. I go start my campaign this year. Like me, I go start campaign this year. I go start campaign this year. Mark Okraku Mantey go sit. Me, the deputy minister of creative arts. What Mark Okraku Mantey himself? You know, say he don't know anything. He know. Say he don't know anything. He know say he don't know anything. Make Mark Okraku Mantey show change. Where you bring Ghana music. Change. Where you bring Ghana music. Because we like high people. Hype people. We like high people. You know, be them they do mentor 1, mentor 2, mentor 3, mentor 4 and things. Eh? How many royalties has gotten to those people? That show they do. You know how much money they inside. Today, some of the artists, some of them, they do them personal businesses. Those things, if man they talk, somebody go talk, say, oh, so no person and no giant. And yes, no person no giant. Pressure never, no nippon to reach now. And just say nippon take a decision. And big up to every artist where go that mentor thing, where right now you do challenge my business. Recently, they watched that boy, you know, my friend, Andy. That boy. There is no way you're going to make it. And because that boy wasn't an ass kisser, he decided quick to get a business running for himself. And that is how a man should live like. If you know say the music you do inside, they help you. Because me, the system must never help. The music system must never help me. One day where the system know they work right, we know they get royalty. Then government will collect tax for me. Then we don't know how to go pay the tax. Because, bad man, make I get $100,000. Then if I go buy a house, then I go think of tax. Once I don't get my royalty, I go buy a house. Because if I don't buy a house, in future, if you know these fans, go can't tell me say, Shatta, but this is all your money or what you take your money do. And Shatta, and I go take Charlie, they know they pay royalty. But Shatta, if they play show for stadium, they go here, they do that. Yes. That is my royalty. I'll pay myself before I'll pay the government. I'm telling you this. I'm not gonna lie. You know, be playing and they tell you. So my God, come and tell way that way. They want to take a pray. They for stop that nonsense thing. They won't do that. They said they want to take the deputy minister. They for stop that thing. My Okraku Mantey can't help you, Charlie. It be me. We are going to help the Ghana music industry. I swear everything.
Yeah, guys, so you heard it all from Shatta Wale. Very, very deep revelations there. Do you agree with him or not? If you agree with him or you don't agree with him, let me hear your thoughts in the comment section below. I'll also be getting interactive with you guys down there. Let's get interactive. So don't forget to also follow me on all social media platforms. It's at odate_j, but on Instagram it's at odate.j. And also my blog is very active. Log on to my blog www.odategnews.com for the latest entertainment news and gossip. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.